Let's talk about the health benefits of avocado oil. The avocado originates from Mexico, and it's considered a fruit, not a vegetable. But unlike fruits, avocados contain a little bit of protein and a lot of fat. Most fruits don't have any fat, and it's the fat in avocado oil, that is so incredibly beneficial. In fact, it's pretty much equivalent to olive oil. The reason avocado oil and olive oil are so similar is that they're both monounsaturated fats. Unlike other vegetable oils like canola, soybean, corn oil, which are inflammation-promoting polyunsaturated omega-6 oils, avocado and olive oil are anti-inflammatory monounsaturated omega-9 oils. You should steer clear from those highly inflammatory vegetable oils. Women with menstrual cramps may notice a decrease once they cut those vegetable oils out, the corn, the soybean, the canola oil, and replace them with avocado or olive oil. And people with autoimmune disease also benefit with lower antibodies and less symptoms when they cut out those inflammatory oils. So you want to replace them with either avocado oil or olive oil. So let's talk about avocado oil. Now I know I talk a lot about olive oil because of my Greek last name and I'm Italian, and I grew up on olive oil, but honestly, I live in California and avocados have been part of our diet consistently since 1987. We were blessed that my husband's grandmother has a huge 70-year-old avocado tree. It's a fuerte, which produces gorgeous, very oily avocados. And when I was pregnant with my daughter, I craved avocados and ate one a day, which I swear is why she has the most gorgeous skin and hair. Now, avocado oil is really healthy for your skin and hair, both nutritionally and used topically. Avocado oil can be applied directly on your skin. It's super anti-inflammatory as a moisturizer and potentially anti-aging as well. Avocado oil has so many health benefits. Number one, avocado oil is a great heart-healthy oil. It's great for your cardiovascular system. It's one of the few natural sources of beta-sitosterol, which is a plant fat that positively impacts your lipids and your cholesterol levels in your body. Avocado oil helps your liver make more protective HDL cholesterol and lowers LDL cholesterol. 70% of avocado oil consists of heart-healthy oleic acid, which is an omega-9 fatty acid which helps lower high blood pressure and lower total body inflammation. And we can see this as a reflection in your CRP, or cardioreactive protein. It's in your blood and it actually starts dropping as you replace those inflammatory vegetable oils with avocado oil. Now, number two, consuming avocado oil is good for your eyes. It's rich in lutein and also has vitamin E. These antioxidants can help preserve your vision and help your eyes age much more gracefully. Number three, studies show that consuming avocado oil increases the uptake of carotenoids in your gut. Now, carotenoids are found in red, yellow, and orange vegetables, and they're really powerful antioxidants. I like to make an avocado salsa, kind of like an avocado guacamole, but instead of just mashing avocado, I add chopped fresh tomatoes, onion, garlic, red jalapeno peppers as well. Those are rich antioxidant, carotenoid-rich recipe. Number four, avocado oil seems to increase mitochondrial energy production. A recent study on rats showed that avocado oil benefits mitochondrial energy production by ridding the cells of free radicals. Free radicals are the leftover of producing energy, and they're highly damaging. Now, there's not much difference between avocado oil and olive oil in terms of health benefits. Except vitamin E, olive oil has a little higher content of vitamin E than avocado oil. But other than that, they have the same health benefits. So we should see the same benefits in terms of what we see in the Mediterranean diet if you choose to use avocado oil as your main oil. I use both olive oil and avocado oil. While all the benefits of avocado oil can be found with olive oil, what I really love about avocado oil is that its smoke point is higher than olive oil. The smoke point is how high you can heat an oil before you damage the oil and before it starts smoking. The smoke point of avocado oil is higher than any other oil, including animal fat, so it's great for high heat cooking. The smoke point is over 500 degrees, so I use avocado oil to stir fry. Now, it has to be a refined avocado oil. Refining the oil removes volatile components and makes it more shelf stable and more stable to heat. For everything else, I use organic, virgin, fresh, cold pressed avocado oil. Now, the nice thing about avocado oil, it's very neutral in flavor compared to olive oil. So it's good for cooking without interfering in recipes, and you can even bake with avocado oil. Olive oil has a little bit stronger flavor, so it's better for savory recipes. So if I'm making a sweeter salad with fruit, I'll use avocado oil rather than olive oil in the dressing because it has a more neutral flavor, and then I could use a nice, let's say, citrus or balsamic vinegar to kind of sweeten up the salad dressing a little bit. Now, one of the things that I love to do in our hormone support group is to share recipes. And you can access the group by signing up for our hormone reboot training. And then join the private group and share how you're using avocado oil. Now here's some ideas. You can add avocado oil to a smoothie. You can drizzle it over a salad or make a salad dressing like I just showed you. The ratio is 2 parts oil to 1 part acid, so whether the acid is citric acid from lemon juice, lime juice, orange juice, or vinegar, balsamic, red wine vinegar, rice vinegar, then add salt and pepper, seasoning, spices, whatever you'd like. You can marinate meats with avocado oil, and just like olive oil, avocado oil helps to protect the food and maintain its nutrition during the cooking process. You can even use avocado oil to roast your vegetables. You can use avocado oil to make homemade mayonnaise, and you can use avocado oil for baking. You can top hummus with it. You can drizzle it over vegetables after cooking or even in a soup. There's so many ways to use avocado oil, and it's so good for you. Enjoy, and stay tuned for my next video on health tips.